Unlocking comparisons. Master to draw a comparison in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very interesting phrase, to draw a comparison. Stick around to discover how this phrase can add depth to your English conversations and writings. To draw a comparison means to identify similarities, and sometimes differences, between two or more items, ideas, situations, or people. It's like painting a picture in your mind where you put two things side by side to see how they are alike or how they differ. This phrase is often used in academic writing, presentations, and everyday conversation to clarify concepts or to make an argument more persuasive. Using to draw a comparison is particularly helpful when you want to explain or illustrate a complex idea by relating it to something more familiar. Persuade someone by showing how one thing is preferable to another. Highlight the uniqueness or similarity of concepts, items, or scenarios. This phrase is versatile and can be employed in various contexts, such as literary analysis, scientific reports, business presentations, or even casual discussions about movies, books, or personal experiences. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. The author draws a comparison between the life cycles of stars and human lives to illustrate the concept of transformation. In her speech, she drew a comparison between the economic policies of two different countries to argue which one is more effective for growth. During the debate, he drew a comparison between playing chess and strategic business planning. Notice how in each case, the comparison serves a specific purpose, whether it's to explain, persuade, or highlight differences and similarities. To make the most out of this phrase, consider these tips. Be clear and specific about what you're comparing. Vague comparisons can confuse rather than clarify. Use visual aids or examples if you're explaining the comparison in a presentation or video. Balance the comparison. Make sure to give equal attention to each side of the comparison to maintain objectivity, unless your goal is to persuade. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed light on how to use to draw a comparison effectively in your English communications. Remember, drawing comparisons is not just about finding similarities, it's about deepening understanding and enriching conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.